Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you about comparisons. In the first place, I'm going to compare these two pictures about Japan. This one was taken 60 years ago, and this one is how Japan looks like today. Let's talk about the buildings. The buildings nowadays are more beautiful than before. The cars seems to be faster than these ones. The street is more organized than before. Now we can see signs that help people to go safely around along the street. The main reason of this change is the progress Japan has showed lately. New companies has appeared and everything has changed for good. Now let's compare these two pictures about stadium. This is El Metropolitano, which is located in Barranquilla City, Colombia. This photo was taken 30 years ago, back in the 90s, and this one was taken this year. And we can see many differences between them. For example, the grass is greener now. As you can see, the grass is greener than before. Now, players can play better or do better because of this grass. The chairs now are more comfortable than before. The stadium is more colorful than before. Now we got a parking lot so people can go by car and leave the car here with no problem at all. Now we have nature around the stadium. Many trees, more trees than before. Everything now is more beautiful. These two pictures show how Barranquilla has progressed last years. And this is amazing because now we can show the world our richness. This is all from this video. I hope you can enjoy it and can know a little more about these two places, Barranquilla and Japan. Thank you very much for listening. See you next time.